Hello Internet. We don't get to shoot a lot of videos outside, but with the power outage that we're currently experiencing, we figured we'd take the opportunity to show you some of the watches in a natural light. I know a lot of people out there want to see what these mother of pearl dials look like. It doesn't always come through with the same color when you're shooting in a photography studio, so I did take these outside so we could get some natural light on them. You can see the level of complexity and depth in each one of these dials. Of course, on the left is going to be a Rolex Datejust. This is a 36mm watch, but it has the Tahitian mother of pearl, also known as the black mother of pearl. Over here on the right, I've got the more traditional style mother of pearl, but of course this one's going to have string diamonds around the dial, as well as ruby hour markers. Of course, ruby is it is a part of the sapphire community, but it is of course going to have that gorgeous red color that goes so well with the yellow golds. We get these kind of watches in every now and then, but they don't come every day, so make sure to get yours before it's gone.